If you're looking for a privacy-focused VPN and don't want to pay full price, this video is for you. Right now, Proton VPN Plus is available with a solid discount. And I've placed the official Proton VPN coupon link in the description and in the pinned comment. You don't need to enter any code manually, just click the link and the discounted pricing is applied automatically. So let's quickly look at the Proton VPN plans and prices, and which one actually makes the most sense. The best deal right now is the 24-month Proton VPN Plus plan. With the discount applied, it comes down to $2.49 per month, which is about 75% off the regular price. You're billed up front for the full 24 months, and this option gives you the biggest savings overall. There's also a 12-month plan, which costs around $4.32 per month with the discount. It's still cheaper than paying monthly, but compared to the 24-month plan, you're paying noticeably more per month. If you prefer maximum flexibility, Proton VPN also offers a 1-month plan at $9.99 per month. This option doesn't include a long-term discount, but it's useful if you only need a VPN short-term. No matter which plan you choose, Proton VPN Plus unlocks all premium features, including faster servers, access to more locations, better performance, and tools like NetShield, which helps block ads, trackers, and malicious domains while you browse. And of course, Proton VPN is known for its strong focus on privacy and transparency, with a strict no-logs policy and open-source apps. And if you want to try it without long-term risk, Proton VPN also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. To get the deal, simply click the Proton VPN coupon link in the description or the pinned comment. Choose your plan, and the discounted price will show up at checkout. So, if you're looking for a secure, privacy-first VPN and want to save as much money as possible, this Proton VPN coupon deal is absolutely worth checking out. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more VPN deals, reviews, and privacy tips.